Hey everyone, I am Swaroop. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 2 of solving Shriver SDE Sheet. Yesterday we have solved this set matrix zeros problem, and today we will be solving this Pascal's triangle. So this is similar to the thing which we all have studied in our childhood days. All these edges of the triangle will be initialized with ones, and from then onwards, as you can see here, these things will be adding up, and this will be 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, and so on. Before writing any code, let's concentrate on the intuition of the program. The input that is being given is an integer, and we need to return a list of lists. Uh, to be more simpler, we need to return a list. So let's initialize that first. Let's call it as Pascals. It is a list, and we are returning that Pascals. Okay, so let's concentrate on the logic on of the program. As you can see here, um, this the value of this particular 2. It is getting its value from 1 and 1, and this 3 is getting its value from 1 and 2. If we concentrate on the particular index of this row, the index of 2 is 1, and it is getting its value from the indices of 0 and 1. Similarly, if we concentrate on the fourth row, the 3 is of index 1. It is getting its value from 0 and 1. Similarly, this 3, it index its is 2. It is getting its value from 1 and 2. If you can also see here, the value here is 6, and the index is 2. It's getting its value from 1 and 2 indices. So let's iterate uh, on all rows for I in range of num rows. This is the variable given for number of rows in input, and mm, as we have zero indexing, uh, basically zeroth row will be of size 1 and first row will be of size 2. So basically we need to initialize initialize a list of size row for every list that we are taking, because we have just initialized a list before, not lists of lists. So in in this list we are appending an element of list at every row that we are iterating. So Pascals dot append of, let's initialize all the elements as 1, and that size will be of 5 plus 1. Or else let's do one thing to be more precise and simpler. Let's make this as row. So I got it. Zeroth row. I mean, if we take it as first row, it will be of size 1, 0 plus 1, 1, and so on. The reason for which it is it is being initialized as 1 is anyhow we need to initialize all the edges of every row as 1. So later anyhow these elements will be replaced by adding the adding elements from the previous row. So yeah, initializing list size and edges 1 is done. Now let's concentrate on initializing the elements in every row. We will be iterating from 1 to an element before a row. The reason for this is as zeroth element and last element are already initialized. So we won't be doing that. And then our current element will be Pascals of row of I, as we are in row row and ith column. This, as we have discussed before, this will be getting its value from row minus 1, I mean the previous row, and the elements would be I minus 1 and Pascals of row minus 1 and I. So yeah, I think this should be fine. Let's check it. Oh, I think, sorry, we did not append here into plus 1. Yeah, So why is it failing? Sorry, uh, we made a mistake of doing it here. No, it should be fine. So yeah, let's analyze the time complexity as well. Uh, as you can see here, the time complexity is O of n square, uh, because we are iterating on numbers, and also we are iterating on each element of every row. So, and another thing which is needed to be taken care of is initializing particular row in the Pascals. As I have said before, we are just initializing a list here. It is our responsibility in this for loop to add a list at every iteration. Uh, People can generally make a mistake of like initializing one at every starting of every list, and then ending of every list, and adding these elements. But by doing so, size of list will not be fixed, and we will be getting index out of range errors. So yeah, thank you. Meet you in the next video.